Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today, from Grammar Cloud textbook, I am continuing chapter number 2, that is subject and predicate. In my last video, what we have seen, what is subject and what is predicate, right? So, let us recall again. What is subject? Any noun means name, place, animal, thing that we were speaking about. Okay, that is subject. And what is predicate? What is spoken about that subject. Okay, that is predicate. Okay, now in this session we will know about more about subject and predicate. Okay, let us see. So tell me, how to find out subject and predicate in an imperative sentence? Do you know imperative sentence? Yes. What is imperative sentence? So, imperative sentence are those in which we give command, order and make request. That is imperative sentences, right? So in order to find out that in which imperative sentence, how to find out the subject as well as in predicate, right? So with this example we will know. First example is open the door. Open the door in imperative sentence, that is a command. Okay. So if I write the example again, you open the door. If your mother, suppose if your mother is standing in front of a door and give you the command that you open the door. Okay. Then in you, that is a subject, and open the door, that is a predicate. Okay, so you can see how the subject in predicate in imperative sentence are changing. Okay, let us see our next example, that is get me a glass of water. So what is the imperative sentence? It is an order. Okay, so if I say you get me a glass of water, so I'm telling about you. You give me that water, glass of water. Okay. So here the sentence is almost changed. How? You is a subject and get me a glass of water is a predicate. Predicate what is telling about the subject, right? Let us. So sentence of order, request, advice are called imperative sentence. Okay, and in these sentences the hidden subject is always you. In this imperative sentence with subject and finding subject and predicate, the always hidden subject is you. Okay, let me give you example. You finish. If I said finish your food, if I say you finish your book, so you is the subject and finish your food is a predicate. Let me give you more example, that is run fast. Okay, so if I tell you you run fast, so you is the subject and run fast is a predicate. Okay, in this the hidden subject is, if we add, that is you, but you is not stated, it is understood. Okay, therefore the subject of an imperative sentence is you. This sentence has subject before verb, right? Verb, it always added before verb. Okay, next is how to find out subject and predicate in an interrogative sentence. Okay, so student, do you know what is interrogative sentence? Yes. In interrogative sentence, the subject come after the helping verbs, that like is, am, are, has, was. These are all helping verb. Okay. So subject कब आता है? After. उसके बाद. Right. And when the questions start with the question word like what, whom, when, how, etc., then the subject is identified by changing the question into its assertive form. Now student, let me again recall you what is assertive sentences. Sentences that declare or assert a statement, that is feeling, an opinion or an event, is called assertive sentences, right? So what, in which interrogative sentence helpful? In helping verbs, after subject come, तो subject कब आता? helping verb के बाद. And question, the question start from the word like what, whom, when, how, do, does. These are question word, right, in interrogative sentence. So the subject is identified by changing the question into assertive form. Okay, let us see. In this table you can see first question with assertive form, like how did Latika reach Manali? Okay, this question, how is a question word, and at the end it is question mark. So Latika plus reached Manali, how? Okay, so here Latika is the question. Okay, Latika is the subject, right? Okay, and reached Manali is a predicate. Okay, so next, when will the exam started? The exam plus will start to when means the examination is the subject and will start when with assertive and it has a question word. Okay, now next, which car gives the best mileage? Car plus which gives the best mileage. Okay, so in the sentence, in the above question, the word Latika, the examination, car, the wedding and the solution are the subject. Okay, so students, what we have learned about subject is an imperative sentence and subject is an interrogative sentence, right? I hope you like this video and read and try to understand what is written in it, and please write this definition what is given in the video. You have to copy it up in your English grammar notebook. Okay, thank you everyone.